Hi and welcome to this edition of Lightning Tips. Today we're going to show you how to create apps in HCL Domino Volt, and we're going to show you how to do it in 3 different ways. The first way is you create a new app once you've signed into your Volt server, so you can do this from blank. Okay, and we're going to do a blank app here, and we're going to call this Lightning Tips 1, and we'll come back to this later on. And I click on create, and there you go, there's my app already created. Let's chuck some text in here and do hello world. Make sure I can spell. There we go, happy days, hello world. And then we can preview this up here. Look over on the right hand side. And there we go, we've got our hello world. Awesome. What we can do now is we can save that. Awesome, saved, closed. Deploy the application, and that takes it from this just created design state, and it allows us to push that out into production. So you can make changes to the design of things, and then you can deploy it, and that then pushes it out into production so people can use it. You can then send people this URL, and that will take them to actually look at the application. So if we launch this, there we go, we've got our hello world. I can submit that. Okay, brilliant. So I've now got some documents. So if I go look at my view data, I can see I've got one record here, but there's nothing in it because there's no fields on the form. So we'll talk about that in another episode. So now we've got this app. Let's create the next version. This is from a spreadsheet. So, okay, I'm going to create this from a spreadsheet. So I need to choose my spreadsheet. Now I can pick this up from an XLS spreadsheet, or I could do it from a CSV, an Excel spreadsheet, and then click on next. It allows me to change what sort of fields I have, or what they're going to be inside of Volt. And I'm just going to select the defaults for this. Call this course catalog. What we'll call this is LT2 course catalog, so that we know what we're doing. Excellent. So we're saving that application. It's pulling in all of the information from that application. Brilliant. So now we can go and look at that. We can launch that application, and we can see we've got a whole bunch of stuff that we're going to do. Okay, brilliant. So we know that that's worked. Or the last one is that we can import an existing application. So I'm going to go choose an existing application. I'm going to pick this one here called Stages for Volt, and it's a .volt file, so we know it's for this system. I'm going to set the application to be set up and deployed so people can use it, and I'm going to pull in any data that's in that application. Click on that, okay, and then what we'll do is we'll launch the application, and this shows us that we've got this application, and we're going to go take a look at these later on and see what they actually do. So that's it, 3 ways to create an application in HCL Domino Volt, all took less than 30 seconds each. Get going, people. This is your lightning tip. I'm Tim Clark. We'll see you soon for the next one.